Look, Brian's already on. That's him. Didn't get the net. Dinner. Do they always come up and jump like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that dinosaur.
Okay.
Guys, man.
Are the bigger ones harder to get than the small ones, or kind of they all look pretty good. I mean, it's just they're really territorial when they're hung up on a marker or anything floating. They tend to kind of take residency to it. So as soon as a bait slides in there, they pounce on. If they're hungry, yeah, you saw that. They jumped right on it, ate it. We catch them on all kinds of debris. Anything floating, any of these. It's got to be live bait? No, not at all. We catch them on shrimp. We catch them on artificial, lots of artificial.
I think you guys caught the couple that were here.